Hello, my name is Alia. I will create a conversation that has element of noun and pronoun. Hi Alia, how was your day? Hi Eric, my day was good. I went to the park and read a book. How about yours?
I had a busy day at work. The office was really hectic today.
Oh, I see. Did you get a chance to have lunch? Yes, I did. I had lunch with my colleague Sarah. She brought some homemade sandwiches. That sounds nice. By the way, did you see the new movie at the cinema? Not yet. I've heard it's really good. Have you seen it? Yes, I saw it last weekend with my friends. We all loved it. Great, I think I'll watch it this weekend. You should. It's definitely worth it.